Night's embrace, shadows dwell, whispers echo, tales to tell. If only you could see with your eyes, eyes that have seen the cosmic skies. The light that burns twice as bright, he cries, a path through time, a fleeting dies, in brilliance a paradox, a life that flies.
No judge but the biomechanic, divine for Dietrich, large and laws grand tone. A paradox of morality, a subtle sign that greatness transcends our earthly home. I've seen things echoed in the expanse of fire and starships in darkened space. A course of wonders, a timeless dance, cosmos embrace, we find our place. But all those moments fade, lost to time's river, silent and vast. A whisper of memory, a fleeting shade, yet in their passing, our truths are cast. The light that burns twice as bright, fades into the endless night. A paradox, life's fleet song, burning bright for love. Sea beams glitter in the dark, off the shoulder of Orion's mark. But all those moments lost in time, like tears in the rain, a fleeting rhyme. For in the end, when all is said and